The quiet is pushed aside by the low, distant sound of a bass line and involuntary dancing. We're going to release a new song.
We're gonna
Play me
what?
something.
What do you want the mood to be?
The best Aria Joy songs make me forget how bad things are.
Arya kind of smiles and starts like playing, which is like a backtrack without vocals on it yet.
Mm-hmm.
And she kind of lets it play for a little bit, and then like looks at Jackie and tries to figure out what she's thinking.
If you like uploaded some shit to SoundCloud right now with her in the room, that would be like the dopest thing in her life and would calm her the fuck down because it would distract her. When you put on that backbeat, she's like immediate, like again, a little too fast. She's like, this is good. Like the hook hasn't even played yet. Like there's nothing yet. I feel like maybe there's just in the episode, in the kind of visual language, there is just a shot of Arya recognizing that caring about Jackie, it actually makes her incredibly vulnerable.
So I think Arya sort of lets the beat play for a little bit. What do you want to sing about?
I don't know. I just what do I like? I like dancing. I like explosions a lot. I like June.
Okay.
Like that's like a good month.
She kind of looks Jackie in the eye and she's like, "You're gonna have to explain why you were going through all of my stuff, but this is a really good idea. Explosions." Of course you like explosions.
Big fan. I think that's probably the scene, and then like the new Aria Joy song plays in the hall. Like it's just like other shots of the Kingdom Come while this Aria Joy song about explosions and dancing and June plays.
Crowds in the street and oil on the water. You've got my hand and a brand new look. Bills in my pocket say things might get hotter, but you've got me feeling I'm off the hook. Blow away the sky and tear out the smog. Let's go dancing and singing. I know a good tune. In spring I was no one with nothing to go on, but we can do wonders in June. Light from the signs all around are washing us yellow. Billboards are selling a single new sound. All I can hear is you telling me hello. Bright as the sun when you spin me round. Blow away the sky and tear down the walls. Let's go dancing and singing. I know a good tune. In spring I was no one with nothing to go on, but we can do wonders in June. I thought I was knowing, I thought I was owned, I thought I was carrying weight all